want everything in order, especially my bills.
Are you the DVD kind of guy?
Yes, I watch when I get a chance, and I listen to music. I download music, and I read. And sometimes I invite friends to come over and have a Bible study or prayer meeting.
Yes, actually, kwento ni Tony sa akin, you're magka-cell group.
Cell group,
right?
yeah.
And I know your faith is very, very strong.
Thank you.
And that's such an admirable trait for people in the business. What do you feel when, syempre madaming nagja-judge sa people in this business na parang yun nga, kulang sa right morals and all that because nga of the industry you work in?
What do you mean, like?
Parang observation people who judge celebrities so easily ba?
That's their opinion. And, you know, it just depends on a certain person how he will come out of it, or how he'll prove himself. Otherwise, right? So I guess we're all given chances to prove ourselves.
I can't believe that you would have insecurities pa, but of course, I guess everyone does. Different levels. But yours would be...
Gosh.
Or parang things that would
Siguro singing-wise,
to work on.
I know I'm not a good singer, but I'm trying to work on that. Thank you, but I know that there are some things I still have to learn, still have to work on. Acting-wise, marami pa rin. You know, there are some days na I'm not comfortable crying, I'm not comfortable doing a drama scene. So, you know, I have to get over some things na alam kong may kinalaman din sa personal issues ko. Like, you know, may mga concerns ka.
So you still have those mga off days?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Big time, of course. Hindi all the time you're okay. So, mga ganun, and parang physically, I'm comfortable. Siguro, ito yung binigay sa akin ni Lord, eh. No? I may not be
At
perfect.
palakpakan naman natin si Lord sa binigay niya sa iyo.
Yeah,
Alright.
but seriously, I don't know. Feeling ko, you know, there are better looking guys. You know, and even when I was younger, I was never the favored one in our school. So,
Talaga?
so siguro naging artista lang ako, yeah, that's why I had to look the part and just become more, hindi naman vain, pero more conscious lang with how I look. Hindi naman porket okay ka na, porket popular ka, you stop there. I'm still working on certain things in my life,
Wow.
especially my craft.
That's very humbling to find out.
We got the hottest hunk in town and he's bearing a few secrets on his leading lady.
Flawless yan. Grabe. She's one person na whenever I'm with her, I'm comfortable because hindi siya showbiz. Tahimik lang siya, pero pili ko nasa loob ng gulo.
Sino-sino kayo mga leading ladies ang tinutukoy niya? Well, hold on to your seats dahil susunod na lahat ng yan from Vlog Return.
Kailan mo napansin na pinapansin ka ng mga tao for being a heartthrob, for being a dream?
Nung nag-aartista na ako, of course, when I was paired with Judian, doon nag-start naman yung ano ko eh, popularity in a sense because tinanggap ng tao and they were writing to ABS na pagtambaling kami, and then eventually nagkaroon ako ng movies na iba-iba yung kasama ko.
Yes.
So nag-gain yung confidence ko. Acting-wise, nag-gain ako ng confidence when I won for Dekada 70.
Yes.
That's when I gained recognition from my peers, of course, diba? So feeling ko, wow, I belong. So unti-unti nagkakaroon ng confidence and I feel na marami pa rin.
Pero mabuti na pinasok mo na ang topic of leading ladies. Can we ask you to describe in a few words yung mga naging leading lady mo? Of course, let's start with Judian Santos.
Judian Santos is professional. She's gifted. Napakagaling mo arte niyan eh. Napaka-natural. And real beauty, natural beauty.
Next is Miss Claudine Barreto.
Claudine, super lambing. Siya yung taong nakasama ko na napaka-thoughtful, napaka-maalagain sa mga kasama niya. And she's really motherly. Kaya I'm happy that she's a mother now, right? And flawless yan. Grabe, nakaka-insecure kasama sa eksena because parang wala siyang pores, di ba?
Ay?
Pero magaling na artista.
Wow! Napapansin mo pala yun, ang galing. But your skin is so nice without the makeup.
Thank you.
Very nice. Next, of course, nakasama niya sa soap, Miss Rica Paralejo.
Miss Rica Paralejo, very, very nice. Very, she's one person na whenever I'm with her, I'm comfortable because hindi siya showbiz. Ano siya, adventurous din siya katulad ko. We love doing sports, extreme sports, we love diving, and malapit kay Lord.
Yeah, she's so sweet. She always texts me also Bible quotes. One of the younger big superstars na nakatrabaho, of course, Bea Alonzo.
Bea is tall.
Super rough.
Bea is nice. You know, no mean bone yan eh. When we were doing Dream Boy, tahimik lang siya, pero pili ko nasa loob ang kulong niya. Napaka-timid niya, soft-spoken, pero alam mo maraming tinatago. In a good way.
Very mature for her age.
Exactly, advanced actually. You know, and she's a good actress.
And of course, ang kasama for the movie, Mr. Jimmy Velasquez.
Wow, si Reg is one person na talaga yun hindi ko akalain ganun siya kabait. You know, sa stature niya, sa estado niya sa buhay, she's remained simple. Hindi siya nag-change. She still lives in Bulacan. And she loves the simple things in life. And napaka-simple niyang tao. She's easy to please. And maganda yung puso niya.
Of all the leading ladies na nakatrabaho mo na, meron pa bang ibang local actress na parang you'd love to do a movie with?
I love to work with Miss Sharon Cuneta. I got a chance to work with Miss Vilma Santos, Miss Maricel Soriano.
Yeah.
Of course, I want to work with Anne Curtis. I want to work with you.
Wow.
I've been asking you mag-artista na
That is so high.
And Christine, I've worked with her, but I want to work with her again now. There's who else? Angel Lexine. I want to work with her. Puro kami endorsements.
Yes, yes. Actually, I know of quite a number of people na gusto makita kayo acting naman together. So, sana nga soon. And how about if you are given a chance naman na makatambal, let's say, 3 Hollywood actresses?
First on my list is Winona Ryder.
Wow.
Dream ko yan eh. 21 years pa lang. 21 ako. On my 21st birthday, I was in the States. Sabi ko, pangarap ko makita ko siya. Hindi naman natuloy. Pero yan talagang eternal crush ko yan.
Winona Ryder.
Natalie Portman.
Yes.
Siguro pag naka-acting ko yun, tutulala ako. Siguro dapat ang role ko katatonic. There's another one, si Gwyneth Paltrow.
Wow, great
Crush
choices. Oo. And sila yung parang actors na pansin ko na parang they don't go for the typical parang leading lady roles, no? Oh, very interesting. Yan naman ang iyong real life love team-ups. Pero paano kaya si Mr. Piolo Pascual in a real love life situation?
Yeah, it's been 5 years na since my last relationship. So, I don't know how I am. Since becoming a Christian, nag-iba na yung views ko sa buhay, nag-iba ako ng outlook, nag-iba rin yung pananaw ko sa, nag-iba yung talagang character ko. Of course, it was a complete 180-degree turn. And hindi ko alam. I haven't gone there.
Wow, well, we'll find out what those changes are in just a short bit. I'm sure gusto niyo marinig yung answer doon, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
Up next, we have Piolo's life and love story off camera.
We're all destined to be with certain people, di ba? Ikaw, nahanap mo na ba?
Teka, Piolo, ikaw ang nasa hot seat at hindi ako. Mabuking na kaya finally ang nilalaman ng puso at isipan ni Mr. Dreamboy? Let's hope so. So I'll see you guys on Vlog with It.
Ano yung parang usual either ugali or
Ugali.
vice versa? What traits usually attract you?
Pagkasimple, actually, ayoko nang kasi na masyadong aggressive eh. Ayoko na assertive. Gusto ko kung ano kayong ka.
Yeah.
You know, simple. And of course, what attracts me the most is faith. You know, we have to share the same faith. So, and if we have the same, hindi naman kailangan pareho tayo ng gusto sa buhay, nahilig sa buhay. But, you know, I want her to have her own identity, independent.
Those are nice qualities. Pero, physically naman, siguro we get naman po the prototype like Morena beside Chinita. Pero like,
Filipina.
yung mga turn-ons, parang ganon, if she has like nice hair or nice
Long hair. Medyo tan, like that. Tsaka, gusto ko nagdidress. Yan, ganyan.
Tapos terno.
Terno.
Oh, masyado kami, it's a date eh. Nag-terno kami, nag-floral.
Pero syempre, gusto ko pa rin na old-fashioned. So,
Parang dalagang Pilipina ang dinidescribe mo. Usually, how do you parang treat a girl in a relationship? They say na you usually treat a girl like how you treat your mother.
yes, exactly. Ganun. Full of respect. And you serve her. And you should make her happy. You know? You surprise her. And treat her like a princess.
You believe there's a one, you're looking for a serious relationship, of course. So, does that mean to say, is it safe to say na Piolo wants to get married one day and have
For
a
sure.
family?
The reason why I'm not in any commitment is because I want to be sure. You know, when I meet that person, gusto ko siya na ipakasalan ko. Ayoko nang magpalit-palit. I want to be sure.
Alright. Actually, I also asked this to Mr. Gene when we ended our interview, of course, because it's about your movie. Paano nga ba iibigin ang isang Piolo Pascual? That's how you made us kwento how you would love a woman. Pero how would girls naman, or the girl, how would the one love you naman?
Just be yourself. I mean, you know, you don't have to please me. I would want you to be honest and faithful and just being simple. I mean, hindi mo kailangan ng gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan in a relationship. I go for simple things. I go for I'm more on ugali eh. Gusto ko nakikita yung ugali mo. Ayokong hini-please mo ako. Gusto ko you show me who you really are.
After listening to all your answers, parang your take on relationships and love is both very mature pero very idealistic din. So if you were to give like a final word na lang to all your millions and millions of women fans out there looking for love then, looking for Mr. Right, looking for the one, what would you tell them?
Make sure it's make sure you are make sure that what you feel is right. Make sure na you pray about it. Make sure that you're ready for something, and you just don't do it because you want to be in a commitment. But there should be mutual respect, and it's a nice feeling to be in love. Enjoy it, and give everything. Hindi mo kailangan magtira because pag nawala naman yung taong yun, at least you can say na yun, give everything. Hindi ka nagkulang.
Beautifully said. I totally agree. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. And do try to catch, of course, paano kita ibigin.
May 30, palabas po sa lahat ng sinehan. And May 29, we have a premiere sa SM Mega Mall Cinema 9 and 10. And we have international screenings. Manood na lang po kayo sa ABS-CBN para malaman niyo kung saan yan.
Alright, do try to catch that. And once again, thank you very much. And napaka-special na ating anniversary episode. So, we'll see you for more one-on-one interviews here on Vlog. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Pam.
Beautifully said. I like that final message. Actually, okay, side kwento lang to. I hosted the Cinema One Awards night. And it was so funny kasi actually